Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel. I do diamond painting unboxings, reviews, show you working on diamond paintings, all that good stuff. I do some book discussion on Tuesday night and some book hauls. I also do crochet. So this happens to be, well, you would think it would be a book video because I went to Barnes & Noble. But did I get books at Barnes & Noble? No, I got these and I'm going to show them to you. They had crochet kits, you guys. And I was like, okay, we're going to get some and we're going to show you all about them. This was not all of them. These were the ones that I liked. And I'll talk about the other things that they had. So first of all, look how cute this is. All right, now I had a hard time finding them. I saw somebody, another crochet YouTuber found them, and I had a hard time finding them. I went back to their whole toy and craft area, and they were not there. No, they were not. They were up at the front of the store where they have like their bargain books and sale books and things like that. That's where these were. Anyhow, this kit, $10. Learn how to crochet these cute little creatures. All right, so let's get into it. And let's show you what we get for our $10. $10, right? We gotta check it out. Okay. So it's packaged nicely for $10. I mean, how can you go wrong, right? How can you go wrong? I don't think you can. All right, so you get this booklet. A nice booklet. 2 cute crochet. Now it shows a bee, owls. I love the owls. I definitely want to make the owls. Snails and bunnies. I think there's a couple more. So here is your booklet, right? How to get started, content. It's a nice booklet. It even tells you some terminology and stitches, right? And then here's the bee, and it tells you how to make the bee. So we got the bee, we got the bunny. What else do we have? Where's the picture of the owl? Here's the little owl. Isn't it adorable? I want to make the owl. Okay. You can make the snail. Oh, the back door just blew open. Life is fun here today. Stormy, rainy, kittens everywhere. One just tried to climb my leg. Oh, this is cute too. The chicken and the egg. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And then the last one they had is a whale. Look at the whale. He's adorable. So it's a nice pattern book. So for $10, you get all of those patterns, which you can use repeatedly over and over. Plus you get some fiber fill. You get some blue yarn, white yarn, this is all acrylic yarn. You get a crochet hook. There's your crochet hook for your projects. And you get all of these little pieces of little colors. I'm going to make an owl. I want to make an owl. You can make a bee. Look, I could definitely make a bee with those. I don't know. We'll see. I want to try the owl for sure. Anyhow, cute little kit, right? I think it's awesome. Okay, so that's the first one I got. Then, of course, I had to get the crocheted puppies. 10 adorable patterns and everything you need to make 2. So there's enough materials, enough yarn to make 2 of the dogs. This one was $15, but it has 10 patterns. 10, okay? All right, let's see if we can get into this. Hang on. Let me get my little knife here. This is all taped up. We'll get into it. All right, here we go. I think it shows all 10 of the puppies on the back. So let's see. Got this cute little guy right here. Got a poodle and a sweater. Of course, we have a wiener dog. I mean, come on. Look at this guy. He's got a leash. There's these two, a little boy and a girl. A pug. That looks like a schnauzer. We got the spotted dog. We got this cute little guy here. This is so cute. Includes 4 colors of yarn, your hook, a needle. All right, let's check it out. $15, folks. 15 bucks. All right, look how it comes packaged. Here's your hook. That's a long hook, isn't it? Seems like it's super long. Well, I guess it's really not all that long. Just seemed extra long. I don't know. It's really not. Okay, and here's your pattern book. These are so nice. I'm trying not to tear it. I don't want to tear it to take it out of here. Okay, there we go. So here's our pattern book. Cute. Crochet puppies. All of your contents, introduction. Okay, so some are easy, some are intermediate, and some are advanced. That's nice to know. Reading instructions, abbreviations, basic techniques. So they all give you a little extra besides just the patterns, which is cool. Look at him, isn't he cute? How to make a magic ring. There you go, folks. For everybody who needs to know how to make a magic ring, there it is. Increases, decreases, a lot of information in this book. And then we get the happy puppy. Here's all of his information, what you'll need. Happy puppy. He's cute. Can't show you patterns, you know that, right? So, and here's the rainbow puppy, the dachshund. Does he only have one ear? Or is just only one ear showing? No, he's got 2 ears. He's got 2 ears. Okay. Thank goodness. Oh, look at him here. Look how cute he is right there. Laying down. Cute. The boy and the girl puppy. I love it. There's the girl. There's the girl. Put her little dress on. The walking puppy. He's ready to go for a walk because he has his leash. He's ready to go. Aren't these cute? The guard puppy. He looks angry, doesn't he? Don't mess with me. I'm the guard puppy. The puppy pug. He's an intermediate pattern. It tells you right over here. Intermediate. The kind of yarn they use. Sheep sheaves Katona. Got to pick some sheep sheaves Katona up. The playful puppy with his spots and his little bandana. He's cute. The wintry puppy needs a sweater. That one's called Advanced. Maybe because of all that hair on top of its head. I don't know. What else do we have in here? Aren't they cute, though? The hungry puppy. He comes with a dish. You can make a little dish for him. And then that's it. Cute. So underneath here, I'm assuming is where all of our yarn and stuff is. Oh, wow. This one comes with quite a bit. I stabbed my hook. I stabbed it through with the hook. Sorry. Let's take the hook out. I've attached it here. Okay. So we get some blue, aqua, teal color, peach, some brown, a bunch of fiber fill. Oh, a little bit of black embroidery floss for noses and things like that. A little bit of yellow. And then in here, look, it even comes with some safety eyes. 2 sets of safety eyes and a darning needle. Everything you need. I'm just going to put this in here because that's too much to fuss with. But isn't it cute? That's the puppies. All right. For 15 bucks. I mean, these are a great deal. Honestly, they're a great deal. Now, what else did they have? They had some, I don't know what they were, some other types of animals, more exotic animals. And some of those looked kind of weird to me. Like, I don't know, I didn't care for them. They had food. I didn't want to crochet any food. They had a Taylor Swift doll. They had a basic granny square kit. So they had some other things as well. I just picked out the ones that I thought were adorable and I loved. Here's our kitties. I don't think I'm going to show you the whole book this time because I think they're all on the back of the box. Hang on. They are all on the back of the box. So look. We have this cute little kitty here. A little purple kitty. She's cute. Look at her. She's like a stand-up long leg. She's adorable. She's adorable. I like that one. I like this one. Those two are my favorite so far. This looks like a Siamese. We have this kitty, and look at her. She is adorable. There's the kitties. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. Where's my favorite kitty at? I just want to see my favorite kitty. What's it called? Let's see. Oh, there's a black kitty. Did it show the black kitty? I don't think it did. Oh, they're called the Marine Couple. There's a boy and a girl. I don't know if it showed all these. This one is adorable. Look at him. Look at him. Right? The moody kitty. You don't have to make him moody. You could change the look on his face. There's a Siamese. Tiny kitty. There's the girl, the pink one. Look at her. She's adorable. And then it's just a piece of fabric. Any piece of fabric cut out as a heart to sew on her. Button-eyed kitty. Look at her, sweetie kitty. She's adorable too. Anyhow, they're super cute. Love them. And what do we get with this one? Again, we get yarn to complete 2. We get a ton of fiber fill. Okay, we get lots of this grayish color. a little bit of, it's a reddish salmon color, a little bit of periwinkle white, some more embroidery floss, and again, the 2 sets of safety eyes and the needle. These are awesome, you guys. Aren't they cool? I mean, who would have thought you could go to Barnes & Noble and get these awesome crochet kits? They're wonderful. Oh, I thought I had it first shot in. There we go. They're great. I love them. So we got the kitties and we got the puppies. And then we have the fun, cutesy things. I love it. So if you're interested, head to Barnes & Noble. I already sent one friend that way. She already picked up the same ones I got, but you might find some others. Oh, they had another set in a different location that was like the kawaii things. And I didn't really care for those, but you might like those. I mean, you know, there's different strokes for different folks. You go look and see what you like. But how fun, and what a good price. And you always have the patterns. That's the cool thing. You'll always have the patterns to reuse over and over and over again. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I just thought I'd do this video real quick and share it with you and let you know if you're interested, head over to your local Barnes & Noble and see what's there that you might want to pick up. All right. Well, I have to go corral 3 kittens now. I think it's time for breakfast and for them to go take a little nap. They're all over the place. All right. I'll talk to everybody soon. Hit that like button, subscribe, and all those things, and come back and see more stuff. You never know what we're going to find. All right. See you soon.